Hello guys, welcome to Viha Forest. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I am going to explain you about what is class and what is method. So I am trying to create one new class with name student and adding public static void main to the class. So here you can see this is the package name and this is the student is the class name and public static void main. So in Java we don't have anything outside class, so everything must be inside class. It might be method definition, or it might be public static void main, where the execution starts. It might be variables, it might be anything else. It must be inside the class. So the syntax for class is class space student. This is the class name and open brace, and here at the end you can see closed brace. Those are called as flower brackets. So here you can see this is public. So I'll tell you what is public, private and protected in the later section. So public static void main, it must be there in order to execute a Java program other than exceptional cases. So here I'm trying to create create method. So what is method? Consider student as a class. Then okay, first I will create few variables for the details of student, like int roll number. Just for your understanding, I'm just adding it as number. Then string name. Then int number of study hours. And then int grade. So all these are variables. So what is string and what are the non-primitive data types, I will explain you later. So for now, just remember string will store more number of characters. As char can only store one single character, string can store more number of characters. So here you can observe all these four variables like int number, string name, int number of hours and int grade. So all these variables, and now I'm trying to create method. So int get number of hours. So here you can observe this is the method name, and at the end you can see open and closed brackets, and again for its definition or for its implementation, these are for flower brackets. So as you are returning it as int, you need to return something from the method. Return number of hours. So if if this method doesn't return anything, then you can use void. So you don't need to write this. You can see there is no error. But in order to send some value from that method, I just wrote return number of hours. And there is one more method like int grade. You can observe the syntax, like first this is the return type. It is called as return type. Then it is method name. Then open and closed brackets, and then curly braces. So here even it should return some value. So I'm returning return grade. So inside the method you can write, you can add some number of hours as local variable. So here you have stored uh, five five value as local variable you have created, and you are trying to return that value number of hours. So this variable and this variable is different. This is global variable, and this is local variable. I mean global for this complete class, and this is local only for this get number of hours. Okay, let's speak about local and global variables in the later section. You won't be understanding currently. Okay, so for now, just remember class and its syntax, and then these are variables you need to write inside class, and this is a method and this is a method which you have to write inside the class. So this is the syntax for how to write a class and how to create a method inside class. Okay, and this public, okay, fine. And you can see com.tutorial.java. This is the package name. So in the left side you can see this is the package, and all these are different classes in this particular package. So this is the structure of a class and a method in Java. I mean, this is the basic structure of a class and a method in Java. So I hope you understood what is a class and what is a method basically in Java. So do like, share, comment, and subscribe to Viha Forest for more interesting content. See you all in my next video.